In this video, I am going to continue the quantum wells. This structure can be grown by a molecular beam, epoxy, or chemical vapor deposition with control of the layer thickness down to the monolayers. Here they were given the clear structure, the combination of the sandwiched I think aluminum, sandwiched combination of aluminum, gallium and arsenide, or aluminum arsenide. Okay, the schematic energy band diagram of gallium arsenide or gallium aluminum arsenide quantum well is given. An electron represented by its wavelength y. Okay, the electron wavelength y is given. Then can be considered as a partially confined in the quantum well of width equal to the gallium aluminum thickness. Okay, here the energy for aluminum gallium arsenide, here the energy for gallium arsenide. Okay, here this energy is very high, by here the energy gap is very small, confinement with equal to the, okay, the barrier height d is equal to the difference in the energies of the bottom of the conduction band Ex for the two layers material, and EV is the energy of the top of the valence band, and E gap is, okay, energy gap is the band gap energy. Okay, here del E, there is the difference del. I will enlarge. Then I will enlarge. Here EC is given, then here EV is given, then del E is given. The energy gap for aluminum gallium arsenide. Here the energy gap for gallium arsenide. Okay, the thickness of the layer is gallium arsenide layer. Okay, gallium arsenide layer. Here the barrier height d is, okay, equal to the difference of energy. Okay, d is nothing but difference in the energy of the bottom of the conduction band ECE for two layer material. Then EV is the energy of the top of the valence band, and the energy gap, okay, E gap, okay, is the gap, band gap energy. Okay, the band gap energy. Next, quantum well is their quasi two-dimensional nature. Electrons in quantum wells have the shaper density of states than bulk material. Okay, here the energy in units they were given, that formula is n square h square divided by 8 ml square. Based on this they will calculated. Here they will give the various levels of energy units 1, 4 and 9 also. So under 100 nanometer, the wave property of electrons cannot be ignored. That is a very important point. Then confinement effect. As the material becomes confinement, its density of states changes. When it is material is confined, okay, defined as a state, the density of states changes. The confined direction you can think as the carriers as particles in boxes. Here they will given as the particle in boxes. The electrons in conduction band as free to move in two directions. Okay, here they will given energy level and distance in nanometer. Confined in one dimension by potential well. Potential well created due to larger band gap of the semiconductor on either side of the thin film. Thinner film lead to higher energy levels. Then quantum wire. A strip of conducting material about 100 nanometer or less in width and thickness that displays quantum mechanical effects. Okay, thin semiconductor wire surrounded by a material with a larger band gap. Surrounding material confines electrons and holes in 2 dimension due to its larger gap. Quantum wire act as a potential well. This is the explaining the quantum wire. Okay. Here in this surrounding material confines the electrons holes in 2-dimensional. Here you can see this surroundings are confined by electrons. This is explaining the scanning electron microscope micrograph of electrode deposited ion with Gopal nanowires. Okay. Next, it is possible to make quantum wires out of metallic carbon nanotubes, at least in limited quantities. The advantage of making wires from carbon nanotubes include high electrical conductivity, light weight, small diameter, and low chemical reactivity, and high tensile strength. Then, quantum wire condensed matter physics. A quantum wire is a electrically conducting wires in which quantum effects are affecting transport properties due to the confinement of conduction electrons in the transverse direction of the wires. The transverse energy in the quantized into a series of discrete value E naught. Ground state energy they will call as the with lower value, and E1 E2 are they will give. One consequence of this quantization is that the classical formula for calculating the electrical resistivity of wire not valid for quantum wires. So where P is the resistivity, L is the length, and A is the cross sectional wire, we already saw that. Okay, instead of an exact calculation of the transverse energies of the confined electron as to be performed to calculate the wire's resistance. The resistance we already saw that enough thing. Quantization energy. Then quantum dots. Quantum dots are semiconductor whose excitation are confined in all 3 dimensions. Quantum dots have properties combined between those bulk semiconductors, those of atoms. Different methods to create quantum dots are available. Then they will be used for multiple applications. Then properties of quantum dots are a few of as contain under to 1 lakh atoms within the quantum dots volume with their diameter of 10 to 50 atoms will be contained. So due to that various property we can develop narrower and more schematic emission spectra as the dot decreases. Okay, in size the schematic shift the band gap edge towards the shorter wavelength. We already saw that. Then discrete energy level artificial atom with the artificial atom, a quantum dots has a larger band gaps. Here they will given the structure. Excitation Bohr energy, when the increasing the size of the excitation Bohr energy, the band gap will be reduced. Due to that the energy level is also reducing. When the size is very small, okay, excitation Bohr radius is very small, due to that what will happen, the energy level increased because of the band gap is very high. In cadmium selenium quantum dots, 5 nanometer dot is shows as the red color, but in 1.5 when you are reducing the size of dots, it shows as a violet. Okay, next quantum dots. The energy spectrum of quantum dots can be engineered by controlling the geometrical size, shape, and strength of the confinement potential. An immediate optical feature of colloidal quantum dots is their coloration. Quantum dots of the same material but with different size can emit lights at different colors. We already saw that. The physical reason is the quantum confinement effect. Due to the quantum confinement effect only it's emitting different colors at different sizes. The larger dots, the reader lower, that means the lower energy its fluorescent spectrum. Conversely, smaller dots emits bluer, higher energy light. Okay, the colorization is directly related to the energy level of the quantum dots. Here it will showing that, okay, effect of light. So it's showing that various lights. Okay, then the downward x direction shows the wavelength. Okay, wavelength. Fluorescence emission of spectra for cadmium, tertium quantum dots of different sizes. Quantum dots, three main ways to confine the excitation in semiconductor. One is lithography, colloidal synthesis, and the epitaxy. In epitaxy, they have two types. One is nothing but the pattern growth and self-organized growth. We already saw that this is the formation method of quantum dots. So once again, the same thing will be there. This is the lithography method. Okay. Then after that, colloidal synthesis method. Then epitaxy. Here in this epitaxy, two methods are there: pattern growth, and another one is nothing but the self-organized growth. Okay. Then the application of the quantum dots are photovoltaic devices. Okay. In solar cells, in especially biology, biosensors, imaging, light, LEDs, okay, quantum computations, flat panel displays in TVs, okay, all displays are nowadays available with help of the quantum dots, memory elements, photodetectors, and lasers, okay. So based on this, we can conclude semiconductor materials can be miniaturized, okay, miniaturized in order to achieve discrete electronics application with help of the quantum dots. Quantum dots are electronically confined in all three spatial directions. That makes them accept and emit light in narrowly defined energies. Of all, quantum dots are the most often used. Okay.